Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Steve in Tennessee on his Galaxy DX33. Steve, we've got a classic here. She's got some age on her, but she'll do you real good. Went through, did a tuning alignment on it. A single 1969, finals doing its thing. I'll show you what we got here. On the low power, 5-watt slug. 1 watt, medium is 3 watts, and high is 5 watts. 100-watt slug, average power, single 1969. Low audio, about 14 watts, average. Let's go to the peak side. Low, about 35-36 watts. Alright, Steve, it's ready to come to you, my friend. I thank you very much. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Boom, boom.